Wow, you are so beautiful. Are you from around here?
Yes, I come from around the road.
Where are you walking to?
I'm just going to shop to buy something.
Can I take you?
I don't want nobody come beat me for the man. Where is your woman?
I want you to be my woman. Let me take you where you're going so we can talk a little more.
Okay, I guess it wouldn't hurt. There's my house over there.
These houses are nice. I was thinking of buying one over this side.
Yes, they are. This house has been in my family for a very long time. Well, you have my number, so I'll talk to you later.
Okay, beautiful. I'll call you.
Hello?
Hey, Keisha. It's James from the other day. How you doing?
Hey, James. I'm fine. How have you been?
Do you feel like going out tonight?
It's a little short notice. But I don't have work in the morning. And I like you, so what do you have in mind?
I was thinking 5-star, beachside villa, champagne, a nice dinner. Then we'll see where the night takes us. Jamaica is our oyster.
Not bad. It actually sounds fun, and I love a man with a plan. Pick me up at 8.
I'll be there.
James, this place is beautiful.
Almost as beautiful as you. I always pass this place. I'm glad I brought you here. So, señorita, would you like to take a walk with me on the beach?
I would like that.
So how's your night going so far?
I'm a little tipsy, but I'm having a wonderful time with you.
Thank you for coming, baby. I haven't had such a good time in a long time. Come here. I haven't had such a good time in a long time.
I'm having a wonderful time with you.
5-star, beachside villa, champagne, a nice dinner.
I don't want nobody come beat me for the man. Where is your woman?
I want you to be my woman.
I can't believe this crosses man do this to me again. This man think is everybody him can play with. Just wait and see. After all me and you have been through, James, this is how you repay me. I will teach that Jezebel a valuable lesson that will change her life. Bubble, bubble, spell to the pot, make the gal de hole, full up a magat. Fool me once, fool me twice, broke a foot if him fool me thrice.
Mrs. Longwood, your husband just passed away in a car accident. Hello? Mrs. Longwood, are you there?
You're next, Jezebel.
How wonderful